We stay with that story now because in the meantime, a preliminary report by the Center for Democracy and Development on Saturday's governorship election in Anambra has alleged widespread vote buying by political parties across the state. Speaking at the news conference in Abuja, Center for Democracy and Development Director of Research, Saeed Hussaini, claims that most of the electoral crimes were committed with security operatives looking the other way. Mr. Hosseini also noted that there were reports of the bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, failing across numerous polling units in the state, noting that the repeated occurrence threatens the quality of the election outcome.
We have also noted widespread incidences of vote buying that will likely negatively impact the credibility of the election result. CDD observers reported numerous not-so-discrete cases of see and buy in polling units across the 21 LGAs of the state. In many reported cases, police officers have been alleged to have looked the other way, likely as a result of having themselves been compromised. This practice, which appears to cut across party lines, has been an increasing feature of Nigerian elections and requires more concerted remedial efforts by INEC and other critical stakeholders. The wider security atmosphere leading up to the polls has likely impacted INEC's preparedness, particularly its capacity to train ad hoc staff on the use of the BVAS technology. In some polling units, INEC officials resorted to the manual method of accreditation and voting. One repeated occurrence that threatens to mar the quality of the election outcome has been the widely reported failure of the bimodal voter accreditation system BVAS across numerous polling units in the state. In several instances, the BVAS failed to recognize voters' faces and fingerprints, and those affected were asked to wait until the challenge was resolved. CDD's EAC observers also reported malfunctioning of the BVAS in Ayamelum LGA, with 3 polling units affected.
We are unable to make a determination because we do not know what percentage of the machines failed. However, we have escalated the matter to INEC, and the response we got from INEC is that they have actually kept machines in reserve, and there are roving teams moving around to replace malfunctioning machines.